Hey guys, all right, so we're here for another update, another video, but this one's a little different. So last week the Volunteer Academy was actually off. We didn't have academy. There was a big conference going on in Indy, the FDIC, so we had the week off, but we definitely wanted to give you some insight. So we've been talking about the Volunteer Academy. We've told you that there's a career academy, and we've told you that we do a high school vocational academy. That's what's going on right now behind me. So these high school kids with a lot of instructors are actually getting to go into our live burn building, and there, as you can see, there's definitely fire in there. There's smoke, and they are advancing hose line in there. They're doing all these techniques that they've learned throughout the school year, because they're going to get ready to graduate from this program here in just a few weeks. So the same certifications, the same training that we get in the Volunteer and Career Academy, these high school kids are getting through a vocational program with the Porter County Career and Technical Center, and you know, they can take their EMT Academy next year, and then they can turn 18, graduate, and become a full career firefighter, EMT, and be on a really great career path, you know. So it's really awesome to see that they get to do all this stuff. I mean, I can't imagine as a high school kid, we didn't have vocational programs where I went and back when I went, but, you know, just to see what they're able to do here. So we just wanted to give you some insight into that. We're going to show you some cool videos and pictures. So, hey.
Hey everybody, it's an exciting day. It's the Vocational Fire Rescue Live Burn Day. So we are in the midst of doing our live burn evolution. So what we're doing is we're setting sets inside of the MAAC burn building, and then companies are going in and putting out the fires. So it's an exciting day. It's the culmination of everything we've spent the last 8 months working on, and wish us luck today.
So how do you feel after your first live burn? You got the burn building plus the flashover.
I think it was really fun to experience, the experience on what it's actually going to be like. You think there'll be a lot more fire? There really wasn't. I actually didn't see any fire, but I was on nozzle. Flashover was a really good experience to know how it feels when you're in it. And yeah, I had a lot of fun.
So how do you
learned a lot?
Just put them back in.
Listen to the instructors. They have a lot of good information for us. And listen to Bronner, he's right there.
Take the adapter off.
He's a good company officer, I'll say. It's pretty cool. Flashover room was definitely the best part. Top 5 coolest things I've ever done. And then I think that's all.
Pretty cool. I thought burn day went pretty well. We got done pretty quick. Flashover was probably my favorite part. Got to experience what flashover feels like. Really hot. These were burning. Feet were burning. It was a good experience. And fire attack was also fun. I don't know if I'll ever get to do that again. So it was a good experience.